I think I've fallen in love with you. So I love these songs by Fallen by Jano Gabe. So it means falling in love with my crush. So it means woman grandmaster Jennifer Yu in this USA. So it means let's see of this one with Beauty Queen with woman grandmaster Jennifer Yu. So it means top three of these three persons. So it means between from this Mexico woman international master Tanya Miranda, and second by woman grandmaster in Uzbekistan is Nilofar Yakubeva, and last from this one with beautiful here from this woman grandmaster in China, Go Xiaobing. So it means I thought the rules of this Korean drama. Okay, so what do you think of this one with best games with Jennifer Yu? So three games analyzed here. So let's study up this one with analyze here. Black Pieces, my favorite players in Woman Grandmaster in Beautiful in Jennifer Yu in USA, and versus by White Pieces by Mexico by Woman International Master Tanya Miranda. So it means I use from these flip boards within rotations from the exchange from these Black Pieces, my favorite players. So it means what time of this blitz chess within 3 minutes plus 2 seconds. So after of this first game, within next second game within Uzbekistan is Nilofar Yakobueva. So after second game within Woman Grandmaster in China is Go Xiaobi. So without standings here after the first game by FIDE World Please Championship 2025. So white plays Miranda is e4, g6 by Yu, modern defense with number 1 with e4, and also d4, bishop g7 with a dark square by this one by Fianchetto's attacks with bishop g7 with Yu, and also knight c3, and also pawn d6, bishop e3, and also pawn a6. It is called by this one with openings with modern defense standard lines here, and also Queen d2 by Miranda without playing by this one with upcoming by castling queenside here. And also Knight d7 by this one with Jennifer Yu. And also f3 and also pawn b5 by Yu because without dice square without Fianchetto's attacks by bishop e7 here. And also pawn h4 with Miranda without next by strong by white pawns with a5 here, and also pawn to h5 with Jennifer because with shield here with pawn h5 would stop by strong by white pawns with h5 here, and also knight h3 with Miranda with plannings with Miranda with next by this one with knight to g5 or knight f4 with next up this one with maneuver, and also knight gf6. So this is a novelty by this Jennifer Yu of this with openings with master by this chess.com. So this is a old main lines here is pawn to c5 here. So pawn c5 is a recording by chess.com. So it means knight f6. So it means knight gf6 novelty. So this is a novelty from this one with Jennifer Yu here. And also pawn to a3 by Miranda with not yet ready by displaying castling queenside with Miranda because this is a first from this one with a3 with white pawns here, and also pawn to e6 here without movement by this one with Jennifer Yu. So this is a given bad move of this computer engine here. So the best move this one is pawn to c6 here. So pawn c6 is a best of the solutions here. So etc etc. So this is a slightly better score for blacks here. So back there, this one is pawn e6 by Jennifer Yu, and also bishop d3 without more by this one with bishop pairs without upcoming by castling. So this is a given worst move from Miranda. So the best move is knight to g5. So knight g5 is a good determinations here. So according this one by computer, so slightly better for whites here. So back there, this one is bishop d3 without bishop pairs with Miranda by playing by castling kingside or chooses castling queenside. So what do you think if you choose up this one with castle? And also pawn c5, good precise by this one with Jennifer Yu here, and also push d5 with a semi push here. So this is a given bad move from Miranda of this computer. So the best move is knight g5 again. So knight g5 is a best solutions here. So termination, so best advantage from goods for whites. So it means, so back there it is, d5. So this is a push from this one with Tanya Miranda here, and Excelente by Good is captured this pawn, captured, and also bishop b7, good precise here, or without, first by knights without attacks with pawns, because these are a targets with bishop here, and also bishop g5 without counters with threats with knights here, and also queen e7 without check here, and also king f2, and also castle kingside by Jennifer Yu, and also rook ae1 without rook ae1 with Tanya, without idea with threatening disturbance with queens here, and also knight e5 because this is a without shield of this protect, so do not captured with knight, captured with bishop. So this is a rooks without attacks with targets with queens, so no more queens here. So this is a more careful from these controls here, so need more shield of this protect of these knights. And also bishop h6 without controls with dark square with bishop to bishop, so another bad move from Miranda. So the best move, this one, is king to g3. So king g3 here, so this is a slightly better for whites. So back there, this one is bishop h6 without bishop to bishop, bishop captured, good move by you, queen captured, and also knight fg4 without sacrifice with check with traps with queen. So this is a another worst move from Jennifer Yu. So the best move is b4. So b4 is a once of this computer engine here without threats the knights. So if you knight a4 here, so if you knight a4 from this move from whites, and also queen e8, so queen e8, okay, queen e8 is a backwards without queen e8 without threats the knights. So if you knight to b6 with traps the rooks here, and also first is knight to eg4. So knight eg4 with check with traps the queens. If you captured with knights, continue knight captured with check without check with queens traps here. So this is a good slightly better for blacks. So back there, this one is knight fg4 without check sacrifice, and captured with knights, and continuous knight captured, good precise here by Excelente without knights with check, with queens trap, with rooks without threats the queens here. So this is a threats the queens here, and also king f1. So this is a blunder ratios from Tanya Miranda. So this is a lowest evaluation bar by whites and highest evaluation bar by blacks. So the best move is king to f3, not king f1. So this is a more controls with threats. If you queen captured pawns here, so if you queen captured with h4, and also pawn to g3. So pawn g3 threatening the queens. If you knight captured with queens and captured with queens, so this is a good slightly better for whites here. So after king f1, so the first guessing puzzle. So what do you think about the sacrifice Excelente once of this computer with woman grandmaster, my favorite players, Jennifer? So while waiting for a couple of seconds and continue for that. Start. Thank you so much here, and congrats for everyone. Boom! Queen takes e1 check, sacrifice, brilliant. So sacrifice, excellent, good move. So if the king captured with queen, so it means continue knight captured with queens here. So this is a more controls with next move. And
with Miranda is king captured with queens and continuous knight captured queens here. Or maybe without more controls without no more with queen to queen. So it means without 2 minor pieces by rooks and bishop and knights and 2 minor pieces with knights and 1 bishop and 1 rooks here. And also this one is knight e4 without threats the pawn with the threats with idea with that with d6 without black pawns, and also knight f5 with the defense the pawns, and knight hg5 c4 attacks the bishop, bishop e2 backwards, king g7, king must be active by Jennifer Yu, and also king d2, bishop captured pawn, knight c3, and also bishop captured. So this is why. So it means which bishop without threats the pawns with queens without rooks here. So it means knight c3. And also bishop takes g2 without threats the rooks, rook g1 attacks the bishop, bishop backward c6 here, and also knight ge4, pawn d5 attacks the knights, knight c5, d4 without another threats the knights, and also knight 3 e4, bishop captured knight, knight captured bishop, and also rook f e8 without Jennifer Yu with plannings with threats the knights with pins without bishop here. So this is a next move. And also bishop f3 without more protects the knights, rook a d8, and also knight c5 without threats with more controls with threats with pawn to a6 here, so with a pawn a6 with black pawns, and also push c3 with a check, captured openings with rook with check, with pawns with check, king captured pawns, rook e3 check with Jennifer Yu with plannings with check, with traps the bishop here, and also king b4, rook captured bishop, one piece done by Miranda, so 3 versus 2. So this is a more controls here. So it means 15 seconds by Miranda, 15 seconds by Jennifer Yu. So it means 9 seconds. And also knight captured pawn, and also knight d4 defends the pawns or without threats without more with c2 with check. So without more from this one with next captured, and also c3 attacks the knights, knight c2 check, king captured pawns, and also rook captured, and also without idea is a4 with Miranda, knight d4 check, king b4, and also rook cc8 backwards. Why? Because this is a kings with threatening the rooks here. So it means with that idea, Jennifer used rook cc8 backwards here, and rook e1, and last shot knight c2. So it means with that knights with check with traps the rooks resigns by Tanya Miranda. Why? Because why she resigns? Because if you king b3 only move, knight captured rook, game over for 1-0. So it means so the score with Tanya Miranda 79.6 and 19.4 with Jennifer Yu, so the win woman grandmaster Jennifer Yu. So I will next have the second game between Uzbekistan woman grandmaster Nilofar Yakubova. So next up is proceed of the second game. So next second game, so white pieces between woman grandmaster Jennifer Yu and black pieces by Uzbekistan by woman grandmaster Nilofar Yakubova. So white plays Yu is c4 English opening, e6 by Yakubova, knight c3, d5, e3, and also knight f6, and also knight f3. It is called by this one with openings with English opening Angie court defense here, and also bishop e7 by Yakubova with a playing by upcoming by next castling inside here, and also b3 with Yu without next dark square with bishop b2 without Fianchetto's attacks, castle kingside by Yakubova, bishop b2 good precise by Jennifer Yu without more with dark square with Fianchetto's attacks here, and also c5 with Yakubova, captured, takes, and also d4, and also knight c6 by Yakubova, because this is a first by next captured pawns with with defense with targets with knights here. And also captured with pawns with Jennifer, bishop captured by Yakubueva, and also bishop e2 with playing by upcoming by castling kingside by Yu here. And also pawn d4 strong by Yakubueva with a doubles attacks with knights and pawns captured with this Jennifer Yu. Knight takes captured with Yakubueva, knight captured, bishop captured, and also castling by Jennifer Yu, and also bishop e6, and also bishop f3 by this Jennifer Yu without plannings, with threats, with pawns, with pins, with rooks here, without continuations here, and also rook c8 without more controls, with first with bishop captured, with more of this one with defense the targets with rook if you bishop captured with knights with without queen to queen. So this is a queen to queen here, and also rook c1 for example. So why don't we try bishop captured? So if you bishop captured with rooks here, and also bishop captured, so it means bishop takes c3 without queen to queen. If your queen takes accepted here, and also rook captured, so if you bishop captured rook, and also bishop captured without threatening the rooks, rook ab1 with the threats the bishop, and bishop e4. So this is a good for one of these computers, so this is a good examples. Okay, so back to this one is rook c1, more defense by this one with knights, and also pawn b6 by Yakubueva, queen e2 with Jennifer Yu, and also queen e7. So this is a novelty by this Yakubueva of this battle of this game. So this is all main lines is rook e8. So rook e8 is a database by chess.com. So it means queen e7 novelty out of this book line by Yakubueva here. And also knight d5 without pressures attacks with queens, knight captured by Yakubueva, bishop captured with Yu without openings with rook to rook, and also queen g5 by Yakubueva without plannings with Yakubueva with next bishop to h3. So this is a targets the pawns here without continuations. And also rook takes accepted by Yu, rook captured Yakubueva, king h1 without more controls by Proc active move from this Jennifer Yu, and also h6, rook e1 need more queens behind the rooks, and also knight f4 without ideas with threats the queens here, disturbance here from this more controls by attacks, and also queen e3 with Jennifer Yu, bishop d5 with more controls with Yakubueva, attacks with the diagonals, bishop captured with Yu, knight captured bishop, another threats here without another threats the queens without queen to queen. So this is a more queen to queen here. In accept by Yu, queen takes accepted, captured. So this is a without damage full by Agninas pawn structure here. And also h3 more controls from this one with connected the white pawns with Jennifer Yu, and also rook c2 without idea with Yakubueva with attacks with pawn a2 here, and moving by this one with Jennifer Yu is pawn a4, and also pawn f6 by Yakubueva, and also rook e8 check, king h7 by Yakubueva, and also rook d8 without we need more plans with Jennifer Yu without plannings with threats the knights here, and also knight f4 without ignorance by Yakubueva, and also rook d7. So this is a given bad move of this computer by Jennifer Yu. So the best move, this one is bishop to e3. So need more threats the knights here. So this is a once of this computer, so slightly better for whites. So back there, this one is rook d7 by Jennifer Yu. Rook d2 need more threats the bishop with pins with rooks with Yakubueva. So it means so do not captured with rook captured pawn. So this is a rook captured bishop, loss of this one with white pieces with more controls here. So be careful. So need more defense and protects the rooks, the bishop here. And also rook backwards d8. So blunder ratios from Jennifer Yu. So lowest evaluation bar by whites and versus highest evaluation bar from black. So the best move this one is rook d6, not rook d8 backwards. So this is a once of this computer, So slightly better for whites. So back there, this one is rook backwards d8 and knight e2 threatening the bishop given worst move from this Yakubeva. So the best move is knight to e6 threatening double with bishop and rook c. So according this one, so this is a slightly better for blacks. Okay, so back there, this one is knight e2 with Yakubeva threatening the bishop. Bishop captured, sacrifice. So sacrifice with openings rook to rook here. And accept rook captured Yakubeva, good move. Bishop captured, so goods bishop versus bad knights with this one. So this is a 5 connected pass pawn with you versus 4 connected pass pawn by Yakubeva. So let's continue, bishop captured, and also knight c1 with threatening the pawns. So this is another bad move from Yakubeva. So the best move, sacrifice g4. So g4, so if you capture this pawn with sacrifice, first is knight to c1. Later, so it means with the threats the pawns, so it means later from this one with knight to c1. First from this one, best by g4, sacrifice. So this is a slightly better for blacks. Okay, so back there, this one is knight c1 without threats the pawns, and also b4 by you. Without planning with Jennifer Yu is pawn to a5, pawn to b5. So this is a next of this one with maneuver. And also knight d3, more pressures from this Yakubeva with threatening the pawns here. And also pawn to a5 with threatening the pawn. So this is a wrong move. So the best move, this one is bishop captured pawns. So bishop capture g5 and also knight capture. So this is a good slightly better for whites here. So back there, this one is a5 without captured with attacks with pawns, captured, and also knight takes f2 check, and also king h2, king g6. So this is a blunderacious from Yakubeva, lowest evaluation bar by blacks and versus highest evaluation bar from whites here. So the best move, this one is knight to e4. So knight e4 is a right of this computer, so slightly advantage for blacks. So after this one with king g6, so the second puzzle, so what do you think about the ones of this computer finding strong, perfect, brilliant sacrifice move from my favorite players, Jennifer Yu. So waiting for a couple of seconds and continue for that. Start. Thank you so much here and congrats for everyone. Perfect shot, bishop b6. Perfect move from this one. Brilliant sacrifice, my favorite players, Jennifer Yu and Yakubeva, knight e4. So it means avoid captured, bishop captured, sacrifice, captured, promotes, upcoming promotes, queen, wins for whites. So it means beware of this one. So never of this one with captured sacrifice. Just leave it here. Need more concentrate the moves. So it means knight e4. So it means without Yakubeva and also bishop captured pawn. And also knight d6 by this one with Yakubeva. And also bishop b8 with the pressure by attacks the knights. Knight c8 by Yakubeva. a6 without idea with you. With upcoming by a8 promotes queens here. And also king f5 by Yakubeva and also a7. So this is a upcoming by this one with promotes a8 queen here. And also knight b6 by Yakubeva. So no more by this one with promotes with queen because this is a cortex of these knights here. And also g4 with a check. And also king e4 by Yakubeva. And also king g3 property active by Jennifer Yu. Knight a8 and also bishop to d6. King d5 attacks the bishop. Bishop e7 without idea with threatening the pawns here. And also king to c6 here. without idea, with with king must be active, with king to b7, threatening the pawns here, and also bishop captured pawn, king b7 by Yakubueva, threatening the pawns here, and also bishop e3 without defense the pawns here, and also knight c7 by Yakubueva, h4, and also knight d5 attacks the threats the bishop, bishop backwards g1, knight f6, and also g5 without the threatening of these knights, knight d7 by Yakubueva, h5 without plannings with Jennifer Yu, with next by h6 here, without attacks these pawns, and also knight f8 by Yakubueva, king g4 by Jennifer Yu, knight e6 here, and also king f5 without attacks with knights, knight c7 by Yakubueva, king g6 by Yu without attacks with pawn to g7 with black pawns here, and also knight e6 without more pressures by defense the pawns, and also bishop f2, and also knight f4 check, king captured pawn, so no more pawns, so 3 connected pass pawn with white pawns with Jennifer Yu here, and also knight captured with check with Yakubueva, king h6, and also knight f4, bishop e3 threatening the knights, knight e5, more pressure disturbance the bishop, bishop against g1, knight e7, bishop c5 attacks the knights, knight f5 check, king h7, knight h4, and also bishop f2 with a threats the knights, knight f5, g6 without upcoming by promotes g8 queen, and also knight d6 by Yakubueva, g7 without upcoming by g8 promotes queen or knights, and also knight e8, g8 knight. Oh, so it means, so this is a symbolize a Mark X move from this promotes by Jennifer Yu. So the best move is a8 queen here. So a8 queen, if your king captured promotes with queens, and also g8 queen. So this is a move. So do not move from this one. So cannot move from this one with knight f6 with check here, because this is a queens with more from these targets with check with traps with pins with a check here. So easy wins for whites by Jennifer Yu. So easy wins for whites. So it means the back there is g8 knight by this one by Jennifer Yu, and also knight f6 check. So this is another bad move from this Yakubueva. So this is a symbolize is God. So the best move is knight d6. So knight d6 is a once of this computer, so slightly better for blacks. Okay, so back there this one is knight f6 check here, knight captured, king a8, and also knight d5 by Jennifer Yu with idea with plannings knight to c7 with check here, and also king b7, knight c7, and the finishing move king captured resigns by Livofar Yakubueva in Uzbekistan. Why she resigns? Because promotes by a8 queen. So this is a wins for whites, game over. So the score from this Jennifer Yu 84.5, and the score by this Yakubueva 79.3, winning of this one Jennifer Yu. So next of this third game between woman grandmaster Beautiful in China, Guo Xiaoping. So next up this one we proceed of this third game. Okay, last of this one, third games within black pieces, woman grandmaster Jennifer Yu, and the white pieces by Beautiful woman grandmaster in China, Guo Xiaoping. So it means I thought the rules of this one Chinese drama or Korean drama. So it means without Guo Xiaoping here. So it means without standings after of this next of the third game. So white plays Xiaoping is e4, g6 again by Yu, and also d4, bishop g7, knight c3, d6, and also f4, because this is a triple with 3 connected pass pawn with a triple pawns. It is called by this one with openings with modern defense standard plus duo Australian attacks variation. So it means with Australian attacks with this is a Australian from this one with without a shot. And also pawn a6 by this one with you, and also a4 by this one with shelving here, and also knight d7 by you, and also knight f3 by shelving, and also e5. So without attacks this pawn, so this is a given bad move of this computer by you, so that's not one of this right move. So the best move, e6. So e6 here is a once of this computer, so this is a slightly better for blacks. So back there, this one, e5 by you, captured, good move by Xiaobing, captured, and also push f5, so this is a marked great bad move of Xiaobing of this computer. So the best move, this one, is bishop to c4. Okay, bishop c4. So bishop c4 is a once of this computer, so according this one, so slightly better for whites. So back there, this one is push f5 with a semi-close by Xiaobing, captured, good move, takes by Xiaobing, and also knight gf6 without idea, with playing upcoming by castling kingside by Jennifer Yu here, and also bishop g5 without more controls by Xiaobing, without threatening the knights with pins with queens, because this is a bishop with defense with knights here, and also pawn h6 without threatening the bishop, bishop backwards by Xiaobing, castle kingside by Jennifer Yu, and also queen d2 by Xiaobing, without idea, without next by playing upcoming castling queenside here, and also e4 with a strong move from this one with sacrifice or threats the knights, and also knight d4, another bad move by Xiaobing. So the best move, this one, symbolize castling queenside here. So this is a once of this computer, so slightly better for whites. So back there, this one, knight d4 by Xiaobing, c5 with that attacks the knight, so this is a brand X move from Jennifer Yu. So the best move, this one, is strong by this one, sacrifice e3. So e3 here. So if you queen e2 here, and also pawn to c5 with threatening the knights, and also knight to b3. So according this one of this ones of this computer, so slightly better for whites and blacks here. So back there, this one is c5 with that attacks the knights here, and also knight de2. So this is a wrong move by Xiaobing. So the need of correct is knight to b3. So knight b3 is a once of this computer, so this is a goods for whites here. So back there, this one is knight de2 by this one with Xiaobing, and also rook e8 by you, symbolize castling queenside by Xiaobing, and also queen a5, good precise strong move from this one with Jennifer Yu here without continuations here, and also knight to f4 without controls, without more controls. So this is another third bad move of this computer engine by Xiaobing. So the best move is one is pawn to g4 here. So pawn g4 is a good solution here. So if we move by this one with e3, so it means e3 here. Okay, e3. So if we move by e3 here without threatening the queens here, and also queen e1. So if you queen e1, and also queen to b4. So queen b4 with threatening the pawns here, and also pawn to g5 without threatening the knights if we capture this pawn, and also bishop capture. So this is a good slightly better for whites and blacks here. So back there, this one is knight f4 by Xiaobing, e3 without threatening the queens, and queen d6. So this is a fourth bad move of Xiaobing. So the best move is queen e1. So queen e1 is a good slightly better for whites here. This is a good controls from advantage. So back there, this one, queen d6 here, more pressures from this one with Xiaobing, and also pawn b5 with a push with the threats or maybe without upcoming by this one with b4. So it means that the best move this one is knight to e4. So it means knight e4. Oh, knight e4. So it's knight e4. So knight e4 is a best move of this one with threatening the queens here. So if you knight captured e4 here, if you knight takes e4 and also rook captured knight. So this is a once of this computer, so slightly better for whites and blacks here. Okay, so back there, this one is g4 with Jennifer Yu and also g4. So I'm sorry. So it means b5. So b5, I'm sorry I got wrong note. So it means, so back there is b5. So b5, I'm sorry I cannot read, so I cannot concentrate. So it means b5 here. So next up this b5 and also wait. So it means b5. So b5 g4. So it means without g4. So this is a many bad move of Xiaobing. So it means without the g4. So the best move this one is queen to c6 here. Okay, so queen c6. So queen c6 here. So it means, so this is a once of this computer, so slightly better for whites. So back there, this one g4 by Xiaobing, b4 with a threatening the knight, so another worse move. So the best move this one is knight to e4 again. So knight e4 is the main move of this one with you of this computer. So it means, so back there, this one is b4 with Jennifer Yu with threats the knights and knight cd5. So this is a poison move, so it means this is a wrong move. So the best move this one is knight b1. So knight b1 is a once of this computer, so slightly better for whites. Okay, so after knight cd5, so the third puzzle. So what do you think about the finding sacrifice brilliant of this once of this computer by Jennifer Yu? So waiting for a couple of seconds and continue for that. Start. Thank you so much here, and congrats for everyone. Is without brilliant is queen captured, third brilliant sacrifice with perfect with Jennifer Yu here. And also with Xiaobing is king b1. And also knight captured with more controls with Jennifer Yu with threats the knights, queen captured, and also rook b8. So without rook b8, so this is a worse move from Jennifer Yu. So the best move this one is pawn to b3 here. Pawn d3. If a queen captured without queen to queen with Xiaobing, and also without queen takes accepted. Oh, queen takes knights. So queen takes knights with f4. Need more ignorance here. So this is a good slightly better for blacks. So back there, this one rook b8 by Yu. Bishop b8 without more controls with bishop with queens without threatening the pawns. So it means, so the best of this move sacrifice with Xiaobing, queen captured. This is a brilliant sacrifice. Queen takes f7 check. So if you king captured with sacrifice with queens, and also bishop c4 with check. So if you rook to if you rook e6, so if you rook e6 here with more sacrifice, and also captured with rooks, f takes e6 with check, and also king 8. So this is a slightly better score, goods for whites here. Okay, so back there, this one is bishop c4 without queens, without threats the pawns with check, knight e5 without good precise here by Jennifer Yu without defense the pawns, and also knight g6 by Xiaobing. So this is a blunderacious. So blunderacious from Xiaobing. Lowest evaluation bar by whites versus highest evaluation bar by blacks. So the best move is b3. Wait. So it means b3. So b3. Okay, b3. So b3 is a best move. Just joking. So b3. So b3. So if you queen a3, wait, if queen a3, so if you queen a3 and also pawn to f6. Okay, pawn f6 here. So this is a slightly better for whites here. Okay, so back there, this one is knight g6 blunderacious by Xiaobing. Excelente. Bishop b7 attacks the queens. Queen d6 and also knight captured bishop. And also knight e7 check. Why? Because with knights, with threats the queens here. So it means knight e7 check with Xiaobing. King h7 and also queen d3. Without openings here, with next by this one, we push from this f6 opening with checks here. So this is a controls by next of this check. And also knight captured here without sacrifice. So not sacrifice, so it means rook threats the rooks. I mean knights. So it means without knights, with threatening the rooks here. And also queen b3 by Xiaobing without queen to queen. Queen takes accepted, captured, knight captured rook, one rook down by Xiaobing. And also rook captured knight, bishop to e4 with a check here, and also king c1, e2 with a threats the rooks, rook e1, bishop f3 by you, f6 attacks the bishop, bishop f8 by you, knight f5, c4 with sacrifice, captured, b3 without idea with b2 with check, without counters with next by check, and also king b2, last shot bishop b4, so it means without cannot move, so it means Go Xiaobing resigns. Why she resigns? Because so if you move by rook b1, only move, and also promotes with queens. So if you rook captured, queens for blacks, game over for whites here. Okay, so the score by this one, Go Xiaobing 65.1 and 80 points. One wall of the score of this currency, Woman Grandmaster Jennifer Yu. So the winner from this one, Woman Grandmaster, my crush, Jennifer Yu. Congratulations. So I got my favorite players of this best of these top three here. Okay, so I will next up this one with push buys with photographers from this one with Magnus Carlsen, so not yet ready by analyze here. So I hope of this part of this video. Thank you so much for watching. I'm Mark Logi 17, aka IconMark 17. Have a good day, keep safe, and keep updates of these next chess updates. Bye bye.